Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making tuna casserole. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of milk, 2 cups of mixed frozen vegetables, 3 cups of wide egg noodles, 2 to 3 cans of albacore tuna, 1 15-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste, also 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, and I also have 1/2 cup of the white cheddar cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. Okay guys, to a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add my egg noodles. We're going to let them cook 7 to 8 minutes. After your egg noodles are done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain them and set them to the side. Now to a heated pan, you want to add your 2.5 cups of milk. And you're also going to add your can of cream of chicken soup. Now, all we're going to do is mix until well combined. Okay, now you want to add some pepper. And guys, you add what you want to yours, how much you would like for it to be seasoned. Just give that a good mix. Make sure your cream of chicken soup is also broken down all the way also. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mixed vegetables. And you want to let that come to a simmer. Okay guys, you want this to simmer for a few minutes until some of the liquid cooks down in it. Okay guys, now you want to go ahead in with your cheese. You can add as much as you would like. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that in. As you can see, the sauce has thickened up. Once that has melted, we're going to go ahead and with our albacore tuna. And you're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now guys, you can turn off your heat and begin to add in your egg noodles. And you want to mix until well combined. You want every noodle covered with your sauce. Okay guys, now it's ready to go into a casserole dish. Okay, I have my casserole dish right here, and I just greased it with a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to pour in our casserole. Okay guys, now our tuna casserole is ready to go into our oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Hey guys, I just wanted to apologize. I missed recording one part. So when you fill your casserole dish up, before you put it into the oven, you want to go ahead and sprinkle it with your cheeses that you want on top, and also the panko breadcrumbs. Okay guys, our tuna casserole is now done. Look how pretty that is. Hey guys, I'm going to take a piece out and plate it. I just wanted you to hear the crunch on it. So I'm going to go ahead and plate that. Okay guys, look how good that looks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.